Level 10, Proficiency. The Wind and the Sun. Once upon a time, the wind and the sun disputed which of them held the greater power. As they argued, a traveler appeared, walking the road below, his coat drawn close about him. They agreed upon a test: whichever could compel the traveler to remove his coat would be deemed the stronger. The wind began first. He hurled his might against the traveler, roaring through the trees and scattering leaves. But the fiercer he blew, the tighter the man clung to his coat. At last, weary, the wind gave up. Then the sun shone forth, gently at first, then brighter and warmer. The traveler felt the heat upon his back, loosened his coat, and finally removed it. Smiling, the sun turned to the wind and said, "Behold, gentle warmth prevails where force fails. True strength lies not in violence but in kindness."